everyone, welcome back to KK's Art Studio.
Hello guys, how you doing? If this is your first time visiting the channel, this is KK and she teaches kids and beginners how to draw some of their favorite things, anywhere from their favorite characters like Ninja Turtles or any one of their favorite animals. So don't be scared, pick up a pen, pick up a pencil, pick up a color pencil, come draw with us. What are we drawing today?
Today we're drawing a dog.
A doggy?
Yeah, a little
That's
puppy.
My favorite animal. We have a dog and soon we're gonna get more dogs. Who doesn't love puppies, right?
Yeah.
So they're gonna come join us?
Yeah, they could come join us.
And what are you gonna do? Teach us step by step how to draw it?
Yeah, it's step-by-step drawing of our puppy.
Come join us, guys. Like and subscribe if you find the content useful. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys, so let's get started with the doggy.
Yes.
We're gonna draw a little puppy.
It's my favorite animal.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a curve. And we're just gonna draw it to the side a little bit. So I'm gonna draw a small curve.
This is the top of his head?
This is gonna be the top of the doggy's head.
I'm gonna draw the top of the doggy's head.
Good job.
Okay.
And then we're gonna draw the ears. So the ears are gonna be flappy and we're just gonna draw a loop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up, come
I'm
back
watching
down. And then I'll just curve it in.
This is ears?
These are his ears, yes.
Okay, got it. So.
And then we're gonna copy the same thing on this side for
awesome.
the ears. There we have his ears, and then we're gonna draw the bottom of his face. So from some point of his ears, we're gonna draw a curve as well.
Them? Okay.
So I'm gonna come like this.
I'm gonna watch you.
And then I'm just gonna connect it to probably like this point of the ear. Yeah.
Okay.
That's nice.
Good job. And just so we could see the outcome of the doggy more, we could draw the face. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw two oval eyes. They're gonna be big.
Okay.
They're gonna be big puppy eyes.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw an oval. So we got two oval eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we're gonna draw like a button nose. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a smaller oval that's on its side. Good job.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it.
And then we're gonna draw a little line coming down.
Okay.
And then we're gonna draw a curve. And
looks
then
like a doggy.
It does look like a doggy. And then we're just gonna attach a tongue to this part.
Okay, cute little tongue.
Yeah. And then a little line for the tonguey.
Got it.
And the details of the eyes, we're gonna draw a curve at the bottom, almost like a crescent moon.
Okay.
Same thing on
both
this
sides,
side.
right?
Yeah.
We talk about every time we have two things, we want to do it on both sides.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we're gonna draw a small circle right here.
A little baby circle.
A little baby circle.
Okay.
Same thing on the other side.
A little baby circle.
And then we'll draw a bigger circle.
Okay.
Right on top of it.
Beautiful.
And then we'll draw eyebrows. So they're gonna be curved like a rainbow as well. So we're just gonna go like this.
Okay.
And there we have the doggy's face.
All right.
Oh, yours looks really good.
I like it. I like it. He's cute.
And the next thing we're gonna do is draw the body.
Okay.
So the back of the body is gonna be almost like the letter B. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna curve the body out and back down. And then we'll stop like right there.
Okay.
And then from there, we're gonna draw the feet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw something that looks like a hook.
Okay.
So from this point, we're gonna come down,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna hook it. We're gonna curve it in.
Got it. Got it.
Good job. And then we're gonna draw two more.
Okay.
Right next to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down and out, and then I'm going to curve it in like a hook.
Okay. So he's like sitting right now?
Yeah, he's sitting on his back leg.
Got it. Got it.
And then we'll draw one more. So we're going to draw three total.
Okay.
So we're going to come
So do the same thing again?
And wrap. Yep.
So cute.
And then from this side of the head, we're just going to come down and connect
And
it.
just attach it?
Yeah, like a little round.
Yeah, don't draw it straight. Draw it like a little bit round. Okay.
A little curved, yeah.
Okay.
And then we could draw a spot on his belly.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a big letter U. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to come down. And then I'm just going to wrap up. It's going to be like the letter U.
All right.
It's perfect. And then we could draw a collar on the doggy.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is first we're going to draw a half circle. So from here, like the bottom of the tongue, we're going to draw something that looks like a circle, but we're just not going to complete it.
This is like where his name would go.
Yeah, his little name
He gets
tag.
lost.
And then we're just going to draw a straight line across for the collar part.
Got it. Okay. Okay, dokey.
And then from
It's coming together.
this leg, we're going to draw a curve just so it looks like he's sitting. So I'm just going to draw a big half circle.
Okay, so kind of like...
Just so it looks like he's sitting. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw the most important part.
Okay.
His tail.
Yes, we have
Yeah.
to draw his tail. Yep.
So what we're gonna do is, you could draw it however big you want to.
Okay.
So we're just gonna I'm just gonna curve the line a little bit.
All right.
And this is just how you want to draw the tail.
So I could just free for all?
Yeah.
I can draw it like a nice waggy tail.
Nice waggy tail, yeah. And
Okay.
then from that point, you'll come down almost like a triangle, and then you'll
Okay.
connect the rest of the body.
Good job.
Oh, that's so cute.
Do you like that?
And yeah, and what I did as well, I just drew little lines so it looks like it's wagging. So
Okay.
we'll go up, up, up.
Oh, like effects?
Yeah. So it looks like his tail is wagging. And there we have our doggies.
Yay, so we get to color now?
We get to color, so you guys could choose whatever colors you want.
It's my favorite part.
I know, this is so exciting.
I don't know what color I'm gonna do. What color you guys gonna do? Come back and find out.
Yeah, so we're just gonna fast forward this part while we color it in. Alright guys, so there we have it. We have our puppies. I love the colors you chose.
Yeah, guys, I've said this before. I love doing all of these crazy, like, fancy, bright colors. While she does her traditional, you know, a dog is obviously brown or white or black. I do these bizarre colors. So don't be scared to pick up the craziest color. Pick up a bright orange like this and go ahead and draw with it. Even if it's not, even if the animal or whatever you're drawing is not this color, you can still be crazy and have fun with your colors.
Yep, I love it. It came out so good.
Yes.
Yeah, so I did do more traditional colors, brown, pink, but
I love it.
yeah, they both came out great.
Did you have fun?
I did. Did you?
I had a great time.
All right, hopefully you guys had a great time too. So come join us for the next video.
Yeah, if you guys liked what we did, if you guys had fun, just please drop us a like and please drop us a subscribe. It'll help the channel, help the YouTube algorithm. We love you guys. Come back for our next video.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.